Everyone said this land was impossible. But they didn't quit.
They fought the desert, the far desert.
And the desert answered.
What happens next changes everything.
Precision protects quality. Clean potatoes now move into precision prep.
Clean before the blade.
Speed and precision turn potatoes into chips. Heat. Pressure. Precision.
Precision keeps flavor consistent.
Crafted for one perfect crunch.
From desert to your hands.
The soil here is unforgiving, but every grain counts for our potatoes.
Hours of work go into creating the perfect bed for each potato.
Every drop nourishes the desert and brings life to the crop. Each potato is carefully placed, a promise of the harvest to come.
It starts small, but these seeds will grow into the harvest we need.
Data ensures the harvest will be perfect.
Every drop of water is measured. The desert is unforgiving.
Even small care ensures a healthy harvest.
Weeks pass, and the first signs of life emerge from the desert sand.
Irrigation keeps the desert alive, nurturing the sprouts day by day.
Every row receives careful attention. Desert farming is a fight against nature.
Each day of toil brings the desert closer to bounty. In this harsh desert, every potato is a victory over the elements. Experience guides the planting, ensuring nothing is left to chance.
Experience guides observation. Nothing escapes the watchful eye.
Now, the desert potatoes are ready for the journey to the factory.
Every potato is earned through hard work.
After months of struggle, the desert finally gives back.
Quality starts right here in the field. Now the clock starts ticking. The journey to the factory begins. Nothing can be left to chance. From desert soil to industrial roads.
The next transformation waits behind those doors.
This is where farming meets industry. Every load tells the story of the field. The factory takes control. Only the right potatoes move on. Every grain of desert sand is stripped away. Cleanliness is non-negotiable.
Human eyes still matter.
Now the real transformation begins. Clean potatoes now move into precision prep. Precision protects quality.
Nothing goes to waste.
Everything is set for the slice.
Every layer is removed with purpose.
Clean before the blade.
Only the right shape makes the cut.
This is where chips are born.
Speed and precision turn potatoes into chips.
There's no pause once the slicing starts. This is where heat takes over. Seconds decide crunch.
Precision keeps flavor consistent.
Excess oil is stripped away.
Cooling locks in the crunch. Now comes the flavor.
Every grain counts.
This is where flavor gets personal.
This flavor defines the brand.
Balance is the secret.
Every chip earned its crunch. Every chip earns its crunch.
If it looks right, it tastes right.
Consistency is engineered.
From heat to flavor, this is the payoff. Machines need care too. This is where trust is tested.
Quality isn't guessed, it's measured.
Every detail matters. Science protects flavor.
Crunch tells the truth.
Now they're ready for the world. Every bag tells a story. This is where the brand comes alive.
Perfect weight, every time.
If it's not right, it doesn't pass.
Speed meets precision.
Built for the journey.
Next stop, store shelves.
Now it's ready to roll.
Miles ahead. Same promise inside.
From factory floor to your town.
Right on schedule. This is where choices are made.
All that work, one simple grab.
Hard work you can taste. And this is how modern factories turn desert-grown potatoes into chips, start to finish.